This video we move to 5.3 with our sub portion is to discuss within model tree how the folders and organizations are looks like, and also is we will introduce user subfolders. Before we go to the user guide is when we talk about the subfolder, I hope is you got chance to read a little bit about the Archimate language specification. I drag that complete this I should say that is the framework from the Archimate specification to here. So you may familiar with those. First is the color scheme, and more important is those namings for the different layer. On the horizontal is the Archimate layers. That from top down is the start from the strategy, and you can see here is the Archi tool is create the compatible or these same the folders to match or map with those Archimate layers. So we have the strategy root or the top folder, that's a strategy layer. Similarly, it's a business application. And the technology is tricky. Is the in Archimate is the physical is a part of the technology, and you may see is the Archi2 has two parts of the notations within technology and the physical, and is code in one folder. So you can drag either technology element or physical element into this folder, and jumping from the motivation first is we also have this bottom layer implementation and migration. So these six terms are exactly the same mapped here in the Archi2's folder. And we also have a motivation folder that is mapped to this vertical motivation aspects in Archimate the language specification. Within Archimate is there's also mentioned the location and the grouping, but they are not shown in this the framework. But in the Archi2 is we put that two these notations within the others, and we also have a folder called relation that including that 11 the standard relation, including the junctions. And then the last folder is views. When you remember is when we click new model, all the folders are empty except is views folder has our the standard view or this sample view. So if I come to here or default view, so if we still use this chapter 4 sample my model, so we have already created some element here. So let's look at those are the elements. So in the this palette, so if I open our view, I can see this palette. But if you don't open any view, is those palette is not by default shown. So you can see from this row is the 4 strategy notation, and here is we have our 13 or this business part. So this sequence is also mapping the order of this folder. Below business is this light blue, the application, and this light green are upper one is the technology, is a 13 notation, and these 4 are physical notation. And then this we have this 10 icons coding for motivation, and 5 icons about the implementation and the migration. These others are here. So that is one is the location, another is a grouping. So you using Archimate language, you only read is there's our notation called grouping. But if you come to Archi2, you may see our gray same kind of this icon. This is called group. So these 3 group, node, and this connection are 3 special icons in Archi2. All the others notation or icons are created into your Archi model, but group, which means is they have one line in the models if you have co-Archi put into the repository, but note group and this connection are not in your the repository. Means is if I drag our node here, there's nothing create in our model tree, but in our model file, you still can see this node. So if I do this showing you is the difference. So let me open. So let's close this one. Open the Archi tutorial. So that is our tutorial folder. So let me see is how I can move that to the right. Make that bigger. And I'm trying to go to this one. So we only have a few of those lines. So that is not too much one. So if I drag a node into this view, so view is here. So we have this view folder, and you can see that is my default view. So if I say here is I change name is the first view. So I will not keep that open because that is being right. So now is I go to this one. Oh, that is the strange. So it's not able to read. So that is the default view. So that is the backup file. Let me make a save and text editor. Why is not able to? But is maybe I go to the column here. So try to find this our file from here. Just open with the notepad. Oh, so that is also again is not good. So anyways, let's do that another one. So create our new model, and this the model test model, and I save that into the GitHub and go to the tutorial working model. So create our ch05 now, and I put that is the test model. So that I will try to show you. So oh, that is empty. No. Oh, yes, I put that upper one. So fine. So let me open that using here. So if I now close that first, so because that may create something. So I drag our node here, and I drag our group here. Compared to that is I drag our grouping here, and let's save that. You can say first is only grouping is created here, and then open with this one. Okay, so it's still readable. So this view is our default view. So I hope is you can follow me is on this source code on this model file. And within this view, we have a three element now. So first element is type our node. Second is our group. Although they have the within our model file, they have our unique ID. But compare here. So this one is a diagramming object, and this one is a grouping. So this one is has this 105D. This the and Archimate, that is the object in diagramming. This is the Archimate element. So that have the 99DA. So this one is the same as here. So when I drag a grouping, it create an element into the other folder. But on this node, on this group, there is no Archimate element created. So that is the difference. I hope you can distinguish with that. And with those we have done. I think it's on this folder part. And user subfolder is easier. So right click is new. You can create element. You can also create a folder. You can create the folder hierarchy. And if you have our drag our element into our element, is always drag into the root folder. You can move that to this the subfolder, but you cannot create an element through drag and drop to subfolder directly. If you drag and drop, always they come to the subfolder, the root folder. But it's the folder, user folder can be moved between your these subfolders, but you cannot move that to the another root folder because they have also this under the certain layer. So that is the way you use those subfolder. I hope you definitely right click. You can rename that, and you can if it's and this just closed, you can see expand. Then this will expand to this item line, the element level. So with that, I hope you know the meanings of those folders and how organize the folders in the Archi tool. So next video is we will move to this working in the model tree. So see you then. Bye for now.